shit. I don't talk about it, I just spit it at the basic. You don't really wanna be the one to have to run up, turn and face it. You motherfucker really wanna be the one to pull up on the way to be the best at back. I'ma be the one to get a motherfucker jumping to the base to the ref so quick, who that? Doing it though, not giving the bone, I'm taking the bone when I pop off to the fall flat. Then I'm gonna back swag with a bass for back. I don't need that motherfucker, who man? Coming from the underground, they losing the sound. I'm trying to make my brothers proud, you know I'm doing it now. These other rappers can't compete, they fucking hate when they down. I came for nothing, now they just can't keep my name out their mouth. They don't really fuck with the ones like us, and they gon' see us as a threat, so we overcome.